Imagine arriving home and your driveway greets you with a soft, cinematic glow that feels both welcoming and magazine-worthy, without adding a single brick. Today we're diving into driveway lighting ideas that instantly elevate curb appeal, boost safety, and stretch your budget further than you'd think. Whether you lean modern, rustic, or coastal, these tips fit seamlessly. Let's unlock the little-known tricks designers use so your driveway becomes the star of every neighborhood stroll. First, anchor the entire scene with a lighting hierarchy. Start low and build upward, just like layering textiles in a living room. Ground-level path markers establish direction and safety, mid-height bollards create rhythm, and an overhead wash from nearby eaves ties everything together. This layered approach works year-round, preventing dark voids in winter, while avoiding blinding glare in summer evenings, giving balance and dimension regardless of your driveway's length or architectural style. For a wallet-friendly start, solar-powered spike lights are trending hard this season, thanks to improved battery tech and warm white LEDs that avoid the harsh blue tint of earlier models. Space them about 6 feet apart for an uninterrupted runway effect, then cluster 3 at bends or intersections to subtly cue turns. They're maintenance light, stay bright for 8 hours, and their modular design lets renters upgrade curb appeal without drilling or wiring. Color temperature is your secret paintbrush. Aim for 2700 to 3000 Kelvin near planting beds to mimic candlelight, while reserving crisper 3500 Kelvin near garages for task-ready brightness. Blending tones creates depth the human eye loves, similar to mixing matte and gloss finishes indoors. Use dimmable transformers so you can nudge color mood subtly through the seasons, warmer in autumn, cooler for summer barbecues, keeping the same fixtures feeling fresh all year. LED strip lighting tucked beneath driveway edging stones is a sleek, modern favorite. Because the diodes are hidden, what you notice is the gentle halo that outlines every curve, visually widening narrow drives and boosting nighttime safety. Run strips inside shallow aluminum channels for heat dissipation, and choose IP67 rated options to survive puddles and de-icing salts. It's a satisfying weekend DIY that delivers a high-end architectural vibe on a modest budget. Craving classic charm? Lantern-style posts with seated glass are back, updated with energy-saving filament LEDs that replicate nostalgic amber glow without overheating. Position them symmetrically for formality, or stagger the spacing for a relaxed cottage feel. Pair oil-rubbed bronze fixtures with warm siding colors, or go crisp black against white exteriors for instant contrast. Remember to keep the lantern height roughly 1/3 of adjacent doorway height for harmonious proportions overall.